another 4:30 wake up morning because today I wanted to come with some of our friends to ride in New Ulm. We're at the town of New Ulm, Texas. Cute little town. We're going to be doing 67 miles today, so it should be fun. These are the victims for today.
Woohoo! Oh. Yes.
Too late. We already got you.
I have my reading glasses on, so I'm excited. Are you?
Hell yeah, I'm ready.
This is going to be great.
I'm ready. I'm not ready, but hey, I gotta think it.
But I'll be fine.
You got it, Swan? Glove?
Yeah,
We're getting ready.
So usually.
How are we doing so far?
Excellent.
How you guys doing?
We're good, but it's early.
Nice. True that, it's very early still. Did Texas pass 700 laws and one of them something about the cows?
Yeah, the round hay bales are now illegal.
Why?
Doesn't that make sense to you?
No.
Cows can't get a square meal.
We did get lost, so we had to turn around and find the right route. But I think we're in the right route now. Okay, that's just cool. That's just fun. We're 30 miles in on our official stop. Time to refill some bottles and all that good stuff and keep going.
Oh my gosh.
That looks like fun.
Gotta try it.
See you guys out there. It's absolutely beautiful, just beautiful. That's for when you don't want any neighbors around you. Damn. That is cool though. Check this out. It's like we're on top of the world. You can see for miles. That's pretty cool. 40 miles. 40 miles. Woo! one trying to stretch. Oh, dear Lord Jesus, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that guy. We don't know if he's gonna get up yet. We have a tow truck coming, so I don't know.
Gotta get a truck to pull you up, huh?
Whew. 54 miles done, and how many more to go? Well, 10, 13.
About 20 some, 20.
Well, we're doing 67. We're 53.
Add the 2 miles that I screwed us up, though.
Oh, okay. All right, let's do it.
Let's roll.
60 miles in, and I cramped up really bad going up this little hill here. So I stopped in the shade, and I got some little visitors trying to see what's going on. Hey, buddy. How you doing? They're kind of wondering, hey, who's that guy? I'm gonna record it.
Yeah, but she's.
Go for it, go for it.
She'll fall in the dirt.
And you gotta go, oh!
That's fun.
It's literally hanging by a thread up there.
Awesome. That was
Well, Susan stopped with me at 69 miles because, whew, I'm toast. I'm cooked.
He's faking it, you guys. He's faking it.
I'm not faking it. I need a tow truck.
We all fail. It's okay. Fail and get up. Fail and get up. You always get up. That is a winner.
Nice and cold.
Lovely stroll, my ass.
That was beautiful.
Thank you guys. Whew. That was 75 miles. I'm not gonna lie, man. I cracked it at the end. I was done. What about you?
I think I'm hung in there. So we couldn't push more than 10 miles an hour.
So I gotta say thanks to Susan because whew, she helped keep pushing me. Susan, thank you for hanging with me.
You're welcome. Did you have fun?
Oh,
100% fun?
I don't know if 100% fun is a word, but I survived, and that's the only thing I know.
Yes, you did.
Whew, that was tough.
Kept the conversations going so you
That
didn't
was
have to
tough.
think about too much.
Oh, she just keeps going and going and going. We got here, and she's still doing laps like doom, 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 doom. So like what I hear, the Energizer Bunny.
She still thinks it's a break point.
Oh, she's ready.
That's fun.
So once you're done riding, what was it, 75 miles? What are, you're supposed to eat healthy, be very healthy with what you eat. You're not supposed to be fattening food, nothing like pizza or anything like that, right? No. We would not do anything like that, right? No. We're gonna keep it this clean, guys. No pizza or anything, even though this looks awesome. Well, I guess nobody liked the pizza, it looks like. It's all gone. It was good, real good.